Problems with the box tree caterpillar. The symptoms are clear: leaf damage, visible caterpillars, and if no action is taken, possibly resulting in a completely bare boxwood within a few days. The solution is threefold. Preventive. At the first sighting of caterpillars, spray once with one of our TOPBUXUS Caterpillar Control products. Repeat after 2 weeks if in doubt or after heavy rainfall. Curative. Are the plants already affected? Clean them up with a stiff brush or broom and immediately treat them once with one of our TOPBUXUS Caterpillar Control products. Supportive. Hang a box tree moth monitoring trap. It will alert you as soon as the first moths appear. Spray 2 weeks later for optimal protection. This way you keep your boxwood healthy and caterpillar-free. And importantly, our TOPBUXUS Caterpillar Control products are not harmful to bees and birds. TOPBUXUS. Boxwood perfection made easy.